As it moves along urban streets, the 320i showcases its iconic silhouette, sharp LED headlights, and confident stance that instantly captures attention. The refined lines and aerodynamic design make every corner look cinematic, turning a simple drive into an eye-catching moment. Behind the wheel, the BMW 320i delivers a lively and responsive driving experience, powered by a turbocharged engine that brings smooth acceleration and precise handling. Whether it's weaving gently through traffic or cruising down a bright boulevard, the car always feels stable, refined, and ready to impress. Combined with its luxurious interior, advanced technology, and signature BMW comfort, the 320i transforms every city ride into a premium, effortless journey. The logo stands as a bold symbol of prestige and identity, crafted with clean lines and a polished finish that instantly commands attention. Its glossy metallic surface reflects the surrounding light, creating a shimmering effect that highlights every curve and contour. Even from a distance, the emblem radiates confidence, a timeless mark that represents power, precision, and premium craftsmanship. As the car moves, the logo becomes the centerpiece of the front design, catching reflections from city lights and sunlight alike. It feels both modern and iconic, blending heritage with innovation. This emblem isn't just a badge, it's a statement, a signature of automotive excellence that elevates the entire presence of the vehicle. The headlights ignite with a sharp, futuristic glow, slicing through the darkness with effortless precision. Their sleek design frames the front end like the eyes of a high-performance machine, giving the car a bold, unmistakable presence. Each LED strip illuminates with crystal-clear intensity, creating a signature light pattern that's instantly recognizable, even from afar. As the vehicle glides forward, the lights dance with a dynamic, almost cinematic shimmer, enhancing the car's premium aura. The illumination spreads evenly across the road, turning every night drive into a confident, controlled, and visually stunning experience. These aren't just headlights. They're a statement of modern engineering, style, and unmistakable identity. The headlights glow with sharp precision, framing the car's front like piercing eyes. Sleek LED strips create a signature light pattern, cutting through darkness with style. Even at a glance, they reflect elegance, power, and the car's premium character. The engine hums with refined power, delivering smooth acceleration and responsive performance at every push of the pedal. Its turbocharged precision balances efficiency and thrill, turning each drive into an exhilarating experience. The wheels are a masterpiece of design, combining sleek metallic spokes with a bold dynamic pattern. Their polished finish catches every ray of light, adding a sense of motion even when standing still. Each rim conveys strength and elegance, perfectly complementing the car's sporty and luxurious character. The steering wheel sits perfectly in hand, wrapped in premium leather with precise stitching. Its ergonomic design offers a confident grip, while intuitive controls allow effortless access to key functions. Every turn feels smooth, responsive, and connected, making driving both comfortable and thrilling. The infotainment screen is a sleek hub of technology, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. Its vibrant display delivers crisp visuals and intuitive touch controls, keeping navigation, media, and car settings at your fingertips. Every interaction feels smooth, modern, and effortlessly connected. The infotainment screen sits sleekly on the dashboard, offering vibrant visuals and intuitive touch controls. Navigation, media, and settings are easily accessible, making every drive smooth, modern, and connected. The air conditioning system delivers precise climate control, keeping the cabin perfectly comfortable. Intuitive controls and even airflow ensure every passenger enjoys a refreshing Cal environment, enhancing the luxury driving experience. With adjustable vents and intelligent temperature management, the system adapts instantly to your needs. Whether on a hot day or chilly evening, every ride feels perfectly comfortable and refreshing. The paddle shifters sit conveniently behind the steering wheel, allowing swift and precise gear changes. Each shift feels responsive, sporty, and fully connected to the driving experience, enhancing control and excitement. The panoramic sunroof stretches elegantly across the cabin, flooding the interior with natural light and creating a bright, open atmosphere. Its smooth glide lets in fresh air and offers stunning views of the sky, connecting passengers with the outside world. Whether cruising through the city or enjoying scenic roads, it adds a sense of freedom, luxury, and cinematic style to every journey, making each drive feel more spacious, airy, and memorable. As the camera soars above the city, capturing the car weaving gracefully through streets bathed in golden light. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join our journey. Every angle, every reflection, every motion is crafted to thrill your senses. Stay tuned for more cinematic rides and exclusive automotive experiences. Subscribe now, and let's explore the world on wheels together.